Introduction. In his 1928 classic book entitled The Law of Success in 16 Lessons, best-selling author Napoleon Hill wrote the following: "A goal is a dream with a deadline." He was one of the first self-improvement writers and thinkers to use the phrase law of attraction to explain how to make dreams come true. An even earlier usage of the phrase appears in the Charles F. Haanel's 1917 book, The Master Key System. Haanel's subtitle for this book was Your Step-by-Step Guide to Using the Law of Attraction, clearly shows us the thrust and purpose of his work. Both of these authors have been quoted and cited a million times since, spawning dozens of new courses and books based on their practical and proven principles. The most recent example of this is the best-selling book The Secret, which relies heavily on Haanel's theories. His work is so comprehensive, in fact, that it's still being used as the cornerstone for most law of attraction courses and products. Both Haanel and Hill have been referenced extensively, along with several other major thinkers in the field of manifestation, to bring you this updated 21st century version called simply The Law of Attraction Pro. This first CD takes you on a journey of discovery about what the Law of Attraction really is, its origins, its main features, how it works, and what it can help you achieve. CD 2 explores the various techniques for using the Law of Attraction, with explanations on how to tap into its power and exercises to ensure you use the power correctly. CD 3 helps you get into the manifesting mindset, so you're open and ready to attract all the good things you desire into your life. There's also a Law of Attraction Pro workbook included with this course. You can use the workbook in conjunction with the second and third CDs to work through the manifesting exercises and keep track of your goals. You'll notice I used the phrase tap into its power just a moment ago. That's one thing you always need to keep in mind when using the Law of Attraction. It will bring you power. Power to be who you truly want to be. Power to reach goals that once seemed insurmountable. Power to find your true purpose in life. Power to make all your dreams come true one at a time. But before you get wrapped up in the notion of power, let's find out a bit more about exactly what the Law of Attraction really is.
Are you looking for a proven program that will help you apply the Law of Attraction in a short period of time? Please visit lawofattractionpro.net or simply click the link next to this video to take advantage of our unique discounts available today.